How long does it take to fry chicken? That is the question. And the answer varies on the size of chicken as well as how much you are cooking. But the general rule of thumb is about 15 to 20 minutes per side. Now, the way I like to fry chicken is I like to use half Crisco and half oil in my pan because that makes it so great. We're from the Midwest and we know how to fry chicken. And you also want to dip the chicken in a batter of flour, and you can dip it in milk first. And then you simply put it in a nice heavy pan, like a big round Dutch oven or a type of skillet that is deeper. And the cast iron one works really well because it retains the heat a lot longer than most types of pans. The general rule of thumb is to let the chicken cook for about 15 to 20 minutes on one side. Take a look at it and you'll see that it's starting to brown. Then you simply flip it on the other side and cook it another 15 minutes. You're going to know when it's done by the brownness of it. But really the best thing to do is to get yourself a nice pan that's a deep skillet, get the right amount of oil, and start cooking. Another good idea would be to check the internal temperature of the chicken with the thermometer. And the ideal temperature internally is 165 for poultry. That way you're going to play it safe because you don't want to get sick on chicken that's undercooked. So try the instant read thermometers that will check the internal temperature. I'm Jan from Kitchen Kitchen.